Tenant states, my washer is making a weird sound. Let's run it through a test cycle, see where that sound's coming from. Pop this cover off to expose the belt. That's the motor on the left. On the right, that pulley is attached right to your barrel up top. All you have to do is grab the belt, spin it off. There is no tensioner. The belt is tensioned from the factory, so it can be a little tough to get it back on there, but just, roll it on. And that noise the tenant was hearing that was weird, that was just the belt spinning. When it loses its tension or it gets old, it will loosen up and it'll start spinning and won't grab hold of that barrel. Let's get it tested and check to see if that solved our issue. Yep, sounds like that solved the issue. This one's all done.